Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. Okay guys, it's the 2011 Wright 61-inch stander, the floating deck. She has a very nice Kawasaki FX 850V. It's a 31 horsepower engine with a Donaldson air filtration system that keeps the engine running stronger and expands the life expectancy on it. This is their console, the key switch, blade engagement, throttle, choke, and hour meter. This machine has 63 original hours on it. It's a dual fuel tanks, really good shape. Everything on this machine is pristine. Very low hours for a machine of this, for a commercial machine like this. It's got the larger hydraulic pumps, as you can see. So we can arrange shipping pretty much anywhere in the country. If you have any questions, feel free to message me or give me a call. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.